I've been going through some things. I struggle with